Have you heard of the number 911? It is a super important number you call when something serious happens and you need help right away. You only call 911 during an emergency. That means something bad is happening, and someone might get hurt or needs help fast. Emergencies include things like a fire in the house, a car crash, someone falling and getting hurt, or someone trying to break in. These are all times when calling 911 is the right thing to do. But if your toy is missing, your pet ran outside, or you feel bored, those are not emergencies. Calling 911 when it is not serious can stop real helpers from reaching people who truly need them. If something scary happens and no grown-up is around, do not be afraid to call 911. Helpers are there for kids too. When you call 911, a calm and helpful person called a dispatcher answers the phone. They might say,
911, what is your emergency?
They will ask questions like what happened, where you are, and if anyone is hurt. After the dispatcher understands what is happening, they send help to your location as quickly as possible. The helpers who might come include police officers, firefighters, or ambulance workers, depending on the emergency. Police officers help keep people safe, find missing people, and stop crimes from happening. They are always ready to protect their community. Firefighters are strong and brave. They fight fires, rescue people from tall buildings, and even help in car accidents and floods. Ambulance workers, also called paramedics, help people who are hurt or very sick. They ride in ambulances and take people to the hospital quickly while giving them care on the way. All of these helpers work as a team to keep everyone safe. They stay calm and know just what to do, even when things are scary. If you ever call 911 by accident, do not hang up. Stay on the line and tell them it was a mistake. That way, they know you are safe. The number
911
is used in the United States and Canada. Other countries use different emergency numbers, like
112
in Europe, 0 in Australia, or
999
in the United Kingdom. No matter where you are in the world, it is important to know how to call for help in an emergency. Learning this could save lives one day. On September 11, 2001, something very sad happened in the United States. This day is now known as 9/11. A group called Al-Qaeda planned to attack the US by targeting big, important buildings. They wanted to scare people and cause harm. The attackers were angry about things the US had done in other parts of the world. But hurting innocent people is never the answer. Peace and kindness are always better than violence. The attackers took over 4 airplanes. They used these planes to crash into buildings, which shocked the world. 2 of the planes hit the Twin Towers, part of the World Trade Center in New York City. These buildings were very tall and full of offices. The crashes caused huge fires. Many firefighters and rescuers rushed inside to help. After a while, both towers collapsed. A 3rd plane hit the Pentagon, a large government building near
Washington, D.C.
important military leaders worked there. The fourth plane never reached its target. Brave passengers on board fought back, and the plane crashed in a field instead, saving many lives. That day, nearly
3,000
people died. It was a very sad time. Families, workers, and emergency responders were deeply affected by the tragedy. Many people showed great bravery that day. Firefighters, police officers, and regular citizens helped others, even when it was dangerous. People around the world watched everything on television. News reporters showed what was happening live, and everyone was in shock. After the attacks, the United States worked hard to find the people responsible. They tracked down Al-Qaeda leaders and worked with other countries to stop future attacks. People from around the world showed support. They lit candles, sent kind messages, and even flew American flags to show they cared. Many countries shared information and helped improve safety. They stood together against violence and supported peace. Life changed after 9/11. Airports created new safety rules, buildings added security, and people looked out for one another more than ever before. People also became kinder. Communities came closer together, and neighbors helped each other more. A new skyscraper was built where the Twin Towers once stood. It is called One World Trade Center, or the Freedom Tower. Today, it is the tallest building in the United States. It stands for hope, strength, and never giving up. Next to it is the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. It is a peaceful place with waterfalls where the towers once stood. Around the pools are the names of everyone who died. People visit every day to remember and honor them. Every year on September 11, families, firefighters, and friends return to the memorial. They bring flowers, share stories, and take moments of silence. People speak the names of those who were lost. Bells ring in their memory, and flags are raised to show respect. 9/11 teaches us to care for others, to be brave, and to remember those who helped and those we lost. Together, we stand strong and never forget.